Hi guys, today we are discussing about user authentication, password-based authentication and password security. This presentation delves into the essential aspects of user authentication in computer networks with a specific focus on password-based methods. As network becoming increasingly interconnected and understanding these concepts in a for safeguarding sensitive information against unauthorized access. We will explore the fundamentals, mechanisms, threats, and best practices to ensure robust security in digital environments. The introduction of user authentication is that computer networks is the process of verifying the identity of individuals or devices attempting to access resources, ensuring an only authorized entities. It forms a cornerstone of network security by preventing unauthorized access and maintaining data integrity and confidentiality. In an era of rising cyber threats, effective authentication mechanisms are crucial for protecting sensitive information across various platforms from local networks to cloud services. The user authentication types is can be categorized into several types based on their verification. Factor used knowledge based authentication relies on something the user knows like passwords or pins. The position based uses something the user has such as smart cards or tokens. Inherence based involves something the user is like biometric. Multi-factor authentication combines two or more of these for enhanced security. The multi-factor authentication combines two or more of these for enhanced security, reducing the risk of compromises in a network environment. The password-based authentication is one of the most widely used methods in computer networks, where users provide a unique combinations of characters to provide their identity. It is simple to implement and user-friendly, making it relevant in systems like email, uh, online banking, and enterprise networks. However, its effectiveness depends on strong password policies and secure storage practices to mitigate vulnerabilities inherent in human chosen secrets. The password based authentication is working like the process begins with user registration, where a password is created and stored securely in a database. During login, the user submits their credentials with the system hashes and compare against the stored value. If the match access is granted, otherwise it's denied. This method relies on cryptographic hashing algorithms like bcrypt or argon2 to ensure passwords remain product even if the database is compromised. The common password security threats like in computer network faces numerous threats including brute force attacks where attacks try numerous combinations, dictionary attacks using common words, and phishing scams that trick users into revealing credentials. Additionally, stuffing exploits reused passwords across sites while man in the middle attacks intercept transmissions. Weak password and poor storage practices exacerbate this is leading to potential data breaches and unauthorized access. The best practices for password security is distributed mediators, secure key derivations and transfer, consistency and integrity checks, revocation handling, security model adherence, integrations with general crypto practices. The distribution mediators uses threshold cryptography to share them key key exchange between the two or more slides. Generative image models. The image model is creativity presented by on September 16, 2025. Explores the transformating world of AI-driven images synthesis, highlighting how these technologies have evolved from experimental concepts to essential tools in creative industries. This presentation devolves into the fundamental historical milestones, leading models, practical applications, ethical dilemmas, and emerging trends shaping the future of generative AI.